Hi! In front of me is Honor 20A, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings, then choose apps over here and tap on the food apps. Now you need to select one of those sections. I want to change my browser app, so firstly I need to go into app gallery and download my new default browser. It will be Opera Mini. I already did that. You don't have to open any of your new apps. Just click home button and go back into those settings. Now click on browser, in my case, and tap on the preferable one. I want to set up Opera, so I have to tap on it and choose change in the pop-up. And now as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!